Nowadays, most of the people are paying more attention on their mobile phones than their surroundings. This phenomenon is called digital distraction, and it causes some people who are using public transport are more likely to miss their stations or stops. And there are also people who just want to take a nap on the public transport, so they are also have the risk to miss their target locations. With the smart location alarm application, a cross-platform mobile application, which is also the main product of my final year project, is released. It allows the user to set the location alarm on the destination. Thus, it can remind the user when he or she reached the destination. Usually, we want to know the arrival time to inform our friends who are waiting for us. When you arrive at one of the shopping malls, for example, your friends are able to receive the notification from you. Therefore, they can go to the entrance and meet you immediately. Besides, for daily usage, like going to the school or the office every weekdays, the alarm will still ring when the user crosses the destination even on weekends. Hence, in order to solve this, the alarm can be filtered such as just ring on Monday to Friday, but not Saturday and Sunday. Now I'm going to talk about the development process of Smart Location Alarm application based on SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. There are 6 phases in SDLC, which are planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, or maintenance. Different tools are used in different phases. For the first phase, planning, Microsoft Project is used to create a Gantt chart with a list of tasks, and Kanban board is used to organize the work in 3 columns, which is to do, doing, and done. The software requirements are gathered by using Google Form in the analysis phase. After the requirement or specification have been gathered and analyzed, I proceed to the software design phase. There are many technical diagrams like use case diagram, class diagrams, entity relationship diagram, data flow diagram have been illustrated to show the relationships of the interaction between user and system, entities, classes, and data respectively. A prototype with the user interface design is prepared in this phase 2. Next, here comes to the coding part or implementation phase. This application is constructed with HTML, CSS, and TypeScript, as well as Firebase and SQLite for data storing. There are several types of testing can be broken down in the testing phase. Unit testing is writing test code to test for each feature separately, whereas integration testing is to test them as a group. When the application is tested on Android and iOS phone, it is called system testing. Furthermore, usability testing is to gain insight about the user interface and user experience. Last but not least, user acceptance testing, which is the final stage of testing that ensure all the specifications have been met, is carried out. When the application went through all the testing, it is ready to be deployed to the public. Due to some circumstances, like the signing certificate of iOS is too expensive, Smart Location Alarm is published on Google Play Store only, but not Apple App Store. In short, Smart Location Alarm is delivered to the public users with Android phones successfully. However, it is constructed as a minimum viable product (MVP) due to the less amount of features, and it can be improved and expanded by spending more time and money in future. Thank you for listening.